innovation and technology, its ability to transform life. Hello everyone, we are C23 PS308 team. We'll present our technology innovation, namely ChoTracker. For the first, let me introduce our team members. There are two machine learning engineers Fadhil and Iga, two cloud computing developers Fazam and Alif, and two mobile developers Bintang and Watan. We are also supported by two advisors, namely Mr. Juan Kangrawan and Mr. Freddy Albert Sanjaya. To start this presentation, I will give you a question. What are the potential consequences of not regularly inspecting and maintaining the structural integrity of bridge? Of course, it can lead to structural weaknesses, right? Deteriorations and potential safety hazards such as collapsing or accidents. Similarly, if cholesterol levels are not monitored and managed properly, it can result in various cardiovascular problems, including heart disease, stroke, and other. Regular maintenance and monitoring in both cases are essential to avoid severe consequences. Interesting, right? But you have to know something. Based on data from the Ministry of Health of the Republic of Indonesia, cholesterol sufferers in Indonesia are quite high, reaching 28%. Even more surprising, it turns out that 7.9% of people in the world die from this disease. This problem can actually be prevented, one of which is by carrying out routine cholesterol checks. However, this aspect contradicts this existing fact. Many Indonesians are lazy to do routine cholesterol check. Quote from LifePal, the average cost for cholesterol checking at hospital or clinic starts from 5,000 rupiah. For the lower middle class, it's quite expensive. While checking cholesterol regularly is highly recommended to find out the right preventive action or treatment efforts and reduce the risk of complication. Besides that, there is a term called iridology. Iridology is a branch of medical science that claims the pattern and color of the iris can use to diagnose medical problems and disease a person's health condition. And one of them is cholesterol. Iridologists use iris charts to make this observation, as the iris is divided into multiple zones, each of which represent a different aspect of organ and human body. And the part of the iris that is used to measure cholesterol level is called arcus senilis. Arcus senilis is a gray ring around the iris of the eye, which is a deposit of fat or cholesterol in the eye.
Based on these facts and these problems, we offer an innovative and fresh solutions. We will create ChoTracker, cholesterol tracker app. ChoTracker is a mobile-based application that can predict cholesterol levels through eyes image taken from camera or uploaded from gallery. This eyes image will be processed by machine learning models. This application allows us for self-monitoring of our cholesterol levels without pain and absolutely low cost. Based on our research, there are some similar applications related to cholesterol monitoring, but the application before only track record of cholesterol through manual input like this. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome ChoTracker, the latest innovation to predict and maintain your cholesterol level just through your eyes.
These are some of the features from ChoTracker app. We provide login and sign up authentication feature so that user can save their progress in history. We also provide an article feature that contains many health articles so the user can increase their health education through this feature. And this is our killer feature. We name it ChoTrack. ChoTrack is the feature to predict cholesterol level based on eye image. In addition, we also have several other main features. The first is Findcast. Findcast is a map display that can help users to find the nearest health facility. And the second one is chatbot. Chatbot is a smart assistant that you can ask many questions about cholesterol. We also provide other consultation feature and include it into the premium feature of our application. This feature called ChoCons, which is provide the place to that user can chat and consult directly with a doctor.
we started building this application by doing research for system requirements, starting from looking for papers, analyzing similar application, looking for dataset and other research so that we can determine the software requirement of each feature that was explained before. Then we started to implement the idea into the form of mobile apps designed using Figma. After designing, we began to divide the tasks according to each of our roles. Starting from machine learning, we built models with several technologies such as scikit-learn for linear regression model ChoTracker, TensorFlow to produce chatbot model, and LTK for natural language processing from dataset, then scikit-image for pre-processing image that will be predicted from the cloud computing team using quite a lot of technology, starting from Google Cloud Service such as Cloud SQL for database, Cloud Storage for storing image, and Firebase for authentication. The RESTful API that we built is divided into two parts. For common feature using the GIN framework from Golang, and for the models using the Plus framework from Python. For deployment, we use Cloud Run and App Engine. Then the design and APIs that have been built are integrated by mobile Android team using several technologies, starting from Kotlin as a language for building Android application, Retrofit for API request handler, Camera X for the ChoTracker feature, Firebase out for authenticating users and API, and the last, the Maps API for the Finecast feature.
For market expansion, the main target of our application is people aged over 38 who are prone to cholesterol. And we are expanding the market with healthcare institution and the government whose role is to provide guidelines and information related to health to the public. And our local deployment in July research and gather bigger dataset. In August, increase ChoTracker model accuracy. In September, finalizing MVP to pitch to partners. In October, looking for partners and doing promotion. In November, turning, reviewing, and final testing for application. And in December, we up deployment in Play Store.
Alright, let me tell you about budgeting and resources. So our budgeting will focus on gather dataset where we'll collect more dataset related to the application that we have created. And then the application development stage is the stage of further application development. And we also prioritize application deployment too. Then the last budgeting is marketing and promotion. We used to market our application to be better known by many users. The resources we need related to this application system are Google Cloud credits to do Google Cloud deployment related to the back end of the system we have created, copyright for the idea of our application, marketing, operational and maintenance expenses, and also market expansion. For details related to the $5,000 budgeting of our application, they are 25% for computing resources such as database API and deployment, 15% for marketing, 25% for research and gather dataset, 5% for maintenance to ensure that the app will always run as well, and then 20% for salary to hire some people who handle entire body app. And then the last one is 10% other expenses, research, taxes, copyright, publication. Then for the $10,000 budget, it's still same as before, but with the different incorporation and there are some addition. So with detail 12.5% for computing resources such as database API and deployment, 7.5% for marketing, 12.5% for research and gather dataset, 2.5% for maintenance, 25% for salary, 10% for expo, 15% for market expansion, and the last one, 15% for other expenses, reserves, taxes, copyright, publication, and etc. So let's talk about sustainability. Some sources of income that we have estimated are premium subscription. It will be 25 million rupiahs. Partnership and sponsorship, it will be 50 million rupiahs. In advertisement, it will be 15 million rupiahs. Affiliate marketing, it will be 10 million rupiahs. Rounds of funding, it will be 100 million rupiahs. So let's talk about efficiency and priority. So as you can see, the detail that I mentioned before, there are 4 efficiency priorities. They are premium subscription, in-app advertisement, partnership and sponsorship, and the last one is affiliate marketing. So guys, this is about our presentation. For the last session, there is a quote that I need to tell you It says Maria 21 state, take care of your health because it will accommodate your longevity. So let's use ChoTracker for the better health. See ya!